Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in last video, we have discussed about the numbers in Python as well as how we assign the values to the variables. So in last video, we also discussed variables. So in this video, we are going to discuss about strings. Strings are very important elements in Python. Basically, what we can say that base string is used to in Python to store the text information. For example, if you write any name, so your name is in that case a string. So in this video, uh, we are going to learn about how we are creating strings, how we are printing those strings, what is string indexing and slicing. Also, different string properties are also there. Also, also string methods are also there. Different string methods, and last one is the print formatting. Okay, so in first section we are going to discuss how we are going to create a strings. For example, if you write anything in single quote or double quote, it is considered as a string. So, for example, uh, I write hi word here. So, hi itself as a string. Also, here I write one sentence, which is this is also string. So, this is also string is also one string. Okay. Another one is the here we can also use double quote. Yeah, means to write a string we can use single quote as well as double quote. Okay. Yes. Uh, Basically, it depends when you need to use a single quote and double quotes. For example, if you see the example here, so in some example there is a single uh, comma is here. So in the if in in this case, if you write the single colon, then this code shows an error, invalid syntax. For same code, if you write in double colon, then it works perfectly fine. You can see here. Okay, because this reason we need to use a double colon also. And same example is here also. Okay. Next, till now we have discussed how we are creating string. So basically, we creating string in single colon as well as double colon. In between single colon as well as double colon. Okay. Next, to print string, how you print string? To print string, it's very simple way. If you printing like normal variable, if you just need to write the print statement, so it print your string. Okay, so next is what we discuss next, different methods. So length is a method which works on your string. So if you write length of any string, so it gives the length. For example, if I write here hello world, for example, if I write just hello, then this length also changes. And length is built-in function in Python for string object. Okay. Next one is that string indexing. String indexing. What is string indexing? It's indexing is like a sequence. Means generally to want to access the specific word from that string. So here you can use indexing. If you see the example here, I assign the hello word to the yes variable, and when I print yes variable here, it print hello word. Okay. And if I just want to print age from that string, so I just write s in square bracket s of 0. So it gives me h. Same way, if I want to just print the second word, so I can, uh, if I uh, write 1 here, so it gives me second word, which is second letter, which is e. Okay. Same way, if you want third word, you can write s of 2 like that. Okay. Another uh, another thing about the string indexing is, if you use uh, colon. Okay. So if you use it, gives you entire. If you write the from 1, so it start indexing with 1. If you write 2 here, so it start from word 2, like that. Also same way, if you need to print only first three letters, so you can include the three in last, so it print those words. Okay. If you want entire word, as we discussed earlier, you just need to enter the a colon here, double colon. Yeah. And this is also important. Yes of -1. It is called as negative indexing also. So if you include -1, so it uh, gives you the last letter of that specific string. Same here, we uh, write -1. After that colon, then it drop the last letter. Mm, yeah. A double colon is used to step size. For example, if I write here 1, so it step the your string 1 letter ahead. Same way, I use 2 here, so it automatically use step size 2. Okay. Same way for negative indexing also, we can use step size -1, -2, it depends. Okay. Yeah. uh, there are one string property, important property known as immutability. Uh, you heard this word in tuples also. Means if you assign something to string, then it cannot be changed, not be changed or replaced. So immutability is the property of string also. Let's see here. I already in string hello word is there. So if I want to replace each word with another letter, so it's not working. So string is immutable. You can see this type here. String object does not support item assignment. You can see in that way also. Also, another property is that concatenation of string. Okay, if you want to add something after that string, you can directly use plus symbol and your string, so it automatically concatenate the string. Okay. You can do multiplication on string also. If you can see here, we write letter is equal to z, means we assign z character to the letter, and we multiply it into 10 or anything, so it gives you the multiplication, means it is repeating that word 5 times, like that. Mm, Also there are different built-in different string methods. and these are very important when you doing a coding to your real-time project. So these string methods are very helpful for you guys. So let's see here. In yes, we have a string hello world concatenate me, and when we use the upper method, so automatically it's convert all letter into the uppercase, same lowercase. Also you can see there one more method is there, which is I think if you want that word in title case, so automatically it gives that word in title case also. You can see h here is capital. Okay. Also, you can split is also one of the method which is work on the string object. Okay. Yes, dot split hello world. If you want to split this by letter word, then it also works. You can see that it split the entire string by the letter word. Also, split is the we can see split by word. Also, print formatting. Yeah, this is one of the most important and most generally used the property of string. Nowadays, lots of people also using the string. We also discuss what is string in next upcoming videos, but till now we are discussing what this format work. Okay, so basically dot format is the function we can say that which can be used to use the different variable at that means what we can say that if you want to join the two strings by and you directly include that variable in your string, so you can use that dot format method. For example, let's give me one example. If you uh, write something a is equal to 10, so a is equal to 10, and if you want to use that uh, 10 variable directly in your code, so you can directly write the number is, you can write curly bracket here, and after that you can do dot format of that a, and if you print this, you can see this, it automatically taken that 10 into that curly bracket. So this is most important properties of string format. Okay. I think guys, this is for today's video.